Passive income ideas, making money while you sleep. Hey there, welcome back to Monetard. Today, we're delving into one of the most exciting topics in the world of finance, passive income. If you've ever dreamed of making money while you sleep, well, you're in the right place. We're going to explore some fantastic passive income ideas, like affiliate marketing, creating digital products, and renting out your property online. Stick around because we'll also show you how to set up and maintain these income sources. Let's dive right in. Affiliate marketing. First up, we've got affiliate marketing. It's a powerful way to earn passive income by promoting products or services from other companies. Here's how it works. Visual aids, flowchart or diagrams. Find a niche or industry you're passionate about. Sign up for affiliate programs related to that niche. Promote products or services using unique affiliate links. Earn commissions for every sale generated through your link. Now, let's talk about how to set up your affiliate marketing strategy. Choose your niche. Select a niche you know and love because it's easier to promote products you're genuinely interested in. Research affiliate programs. Find reputable affiliate programs in your niche. Look for those with good commission rates and solid track records. Content creation. Create valuable content like blog posts, videos, or social media posts that incorporate your affiliate links naturally. Audience building. Grow your audience and engage with them through various marketing channels. Analyze and optimize. Continuously track your performance and optimize your strategy for better results. Segment 2. Digital product creation. Next on our list is creating digital products. This can be an absolute goldmine for passive income. Here's the scoop. Visual aids, examples of digital products. Digital products can include eBooks, online courses, stock photos, printables, and more. Once created, they can be sold to an unlimited number of customers without much ongoing effort. Now, let's talk about how to set up your digital product business. Choose your product. Decide on the type of digital product you want to create based on your expertise and audience's needs. Create high-quality content. Put your heart and soul into creating top-notch content. Remember, quality matters. Set up an e-commerce platform. Use platforms like Shopify, Gumroad, or Etsy to sell your digital products. Market your products. Promote your products through social media, email marketing, and collaborations. Provide excellent customer support. Happy customers can become repeat buyers and loyal fans. Segment 3. Property rental online. Last but not least, we're talking about renting out your property online. If you have extra space, this is an excellent way to generate passive income. Here's how it's done. Visual aids, screenshots of property rental platforms. Use platforms like Airbnb or Vrbo to list your property for short-term rentals. Guests book your space, and you earn money without much effort. Now, let's discuss how to set up your online property rental. Create an attractive listing. Take high-quality photos, write a compelling description, and set a competitive price. Provide outstanding hospitality. Ensure your guests have a comfortable stay by offering amenities and excellent communication. Manage bookings efficiently. Use booking management tools to keep track of reservations and guest interactions. Safety and security. Implement safety measures and security features for your property and guests. Reviews and feedback. Encourage guests to leave positive reviews to attract more bookings. Conclusion. Host. Standing in front of the camera, enthusiastic. And there you have it, some incredible passive income ideas that can help you make money while you sleep. Whether you choose affiliate marketing, digital product creation, or property rental, remember that success comes with dedication and persistence. So, pick the one that resonates with you the most and start building your passive income stream today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more money-making tips, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and happy earning!